In this video today we'll see practice set 1.5. Here we are studying application of linear equation in two variables, means here word problem. Please share and subscribe and give your comments. Here first, two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. So very simple here. See here, two numbers differ by 3. There is a two numbers are in the two numbers, one is the smaller number and one is the greater number. Means of course two numbers are there. If they are not same, that means one number will come smaller and one number is greater. So here simple, let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. Now here first this first sentence is very easy. That means see here, two numbers differ by 3. Then two numbers we have x and y. It differs by 3 means x minus y equal to 3. This is the first equation. So we got the first equation. So remaining part of this problem is we'll get the second equation. The sum of the twice means whatever you are seeing here, greater number is there and smaller number is there. Sum of this greater number is, but sum of the twice the smaller means your y number is there, we have to make the twice, that means 2y, and your greater number thrice, that means 3x, and their addition is 19, means sum. Okay, sum of the twice smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. So thrice the greater number means 3x. Why 3x? Because x is your greater number and thrice means it's 3 times. Twice the smaller number, your smaller number is y, and twice means it is a double, means 2y. So 3x plus 2y equal to 9. Then sum of this thrice the greater number and twice the smaller number is 19. So we got the second equation. So very easy now to solve the equation 1 and 2. Now see here, your equation 1, multiplying equation 1 by 2. This is your equation 1. Okay, so here also it is written equation 1 and this is multiply by 2. If you are multiplying to 2x minus 2y equal to 6, that means we can say this is the equation 3. Now what we can write here, adding equation 2 and 3. So what is your equation 2? 2 is your 3x plus 2y equal to 90. This is the written here. Then your third you got this one, that means it is a 2x minus 2y equal to 16. So very simple here, plus and minus is there, and 2y minus 2y means opposite numbers are, that means it is easily eliminate. So remaining we have to add 3x plus 2x equal to 5x, 19 plus 6 it is a 25. So x equal to 25. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are, so x equal to 5. Now substitute equation x equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is very easy, x minus y 3. So x equal to 5 minus y equal to 3 minus y equal to, this 3 is as it is and this 5 transposing this side, so become minus 5. Minus y equal to subtraction, here see plus and minus, so subtraction 5 minus 3 in bigger number sign, that means minus 2. Here minus, so minus minus plus y equal to 2. So required numbers are 5 and 2. Very simple. Now next, complete the following. Here given, this is problem is given. See here, I am a rectangle. So I am a rectangle. This sides means this is the length is given. One length is there. This another length. This is the breadth and this is the breadth. So see, this is the length we can say. Okay. This is also length. Okay. And this is the breadth. And this is also breadth, means this one total, this is the breadth, this is the total breadth. Okay, find the value of, here find the value of x and y. So after solving this we'll get the x and y, and find the my area and perimeter. Find the my area, here given no, I am a rectangular, so find the area of rectangle and perimeter. So very simple. Now see, rectangle means we know the properties, basic things, opposite sides are equal. See, length and length means this. Suppose this, that means what we can write, 2x plus y equal to 8, 2x plus y plus 8 equal to 4x minus y. So see, this is the, both are the, this is also length, this is also length. So length, both sides are equal. So now we simplify this 2x, this minus 4x transposing this side, this plus y as it is, minus y we are bringing this sides, and plus 8 is there, we are bringing this side, so become minus. So 2x minus, here subtraction, bigger number sign, so minus 2x, y plus y, 2y equal to minus. So dividing by 2, so minus x plus y equal to minus 4. This is the equation 1. Now breadth, here see 2y equal to x plus 4. See here, x plus 4 equal to 2y, then again x, this 2y bring this side, so minus, and plus 4 become this side coming, that means minus 4, equation second. So now these two equations we got, so adding equation 1 and 2, so first equation your x plus y equal to minus 4, second equation x plus minus 2, here minus x and plus x, so eliminate, then plus y and minus 2, minus y equal to minus 8, minus minus become plus, so y equal to 8. Okay, so y we got, substituting value of y and y equal to 8 in equation 1. So what is your equation 1? This is your equation 1, that is minus x plus y equal to minus 4. So minus x as it is, y value got 8 equal to minus 4. So here minus x as it is equal to minus 4 again as it is. This plus we are transposing this side, so become minus 8, minus 4 and minus 8. Same sign, so addition, but minus sign we have to write, minus 12. Here minus x equal to minus 12. So x equal to 12. Length of the rectangle. Okay, so we got the y equal to 8, x equal to 12. Okay, so length of the rectangle equal to, we got the, so we have to find out perimeter and area, so we should note the length and breadth. So length of the rectangle is what? It is given here, see in figure. Length, this is the length. Anywhere we can put the values because both are same. No need to put in both because both are same. So we know the value of x and y here, see. So put value, this is the length. Here also you will get the, putting the value of x and y, you will get the same. So to save the time, you can put in one length. So this is easy. 4x means easily you can find out 4x minus y. So 4 into 12, x value is 12, y value is 8. So 4 into 12, that means 48. 48 minus 8, so 40. So rectangle length of 40. Then breadth of the rectangle is 2y. It is given in that figure. So 2 into 8, that is the 16. So area of rectangle, length into breadth. So length you know that 14 into 16. See, 16 for the 64 and keep 0 as it is, that means square units. This is the area of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle formula, you know that 2 in bracket L plus B. 2 as it is, L is 40 and B is 16. So 2 as it is, add this, 14 plus 16 is 56. 2 into 56 means what? 2 in bracket 50. So like this will come and your multiplication is come 112. This is the units. Area is called square units. It is a perimeter, so it is only units 112. So x equal to 12 and y equal to 8, and the area of rectangle is 640 and square units, and the perimeter is 112. So next is the sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son. Sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. Means here you will get one equation. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, then sum is 95. Find their present age. Very simple. Whatever is given, that we have to write, and you will get the two equation because two conditions are given. First, father's present age be x year and the son's present is y year. So sum of the father's age. So what is the father's age? X, and twice the age of his son is 2y. So twice means 2y. So x plus 2y equal to 70. First equation. Then next is, if we double age of the father. What is the double age of father? That means 2x and father, and add it to the age of his son. Son's age is y. So 2x plus y equal to 95. So adding equation 1 and 2. So this equation 1 and this is 2. So you are adding 3x plus 3y equal to 165, dividing by 3. So x plus y equal to 55. For 165 you are dividing 3, you will get the 55, third equation. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. This is the 2 from 1. So one equation first you have to write first, x plus 2y equal to 70. Second equation 2x plus y equal to 95. we are subtracting, so we have to change the sign of each term. That means here plus is there, minus, here plus is there, minus 95 minus. Okay, so x minus 2x, bigger number sign, so subtraction and minus x, 2y minus y, so y equal to 25. So here multiplying by minus 1, you will get x minus y equal to 25. So adding equation 3 and 4, see here x plus y and x minus y, these two. So here x plus y equal to 55, x minus y, so this is the eliminated, 2x equal to 80, x equal to 40. So x, substitute value of x in equation 3, x plus y equal to 55, x is 40, y equal to plus y equal to 55, y equal to 55 minus 40, so y equal to 15. So father's present age is 40 years and the son's present age is 15 years. So very simple, whatever it is given you have to write properly, you will get the two equations, and then two equations you got, then you know how to solve by elimination. Any method you can use, if not mentioned, substitution method or elimination method. So please share and subscribe and give your comments, and thank you for watching.